Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. The year is 2025. Technology has advanced at a breakneck pace, transforming every aspect of our lives. Artificial intelligence has woven itself into the fabric of our digital lives, becoming indispensable. One such AI, ChatGPT, has emerged as a powerful tool, capable of revolutionizing various fields, including cybersecurity, with its advanced capabilities. This essay delves into the fascinating world of ethical hacking, exploring how ChatGPT can be harnessed for educational purposes in the realm of cybersecurity, providing a new perspective. We will embark on a journey to understand the capabilities of ChatGPT, its applications in vulnerability detection, attack simulation, and social engineering, all while emphasizing the paramount importance of ethical considerations and responsible AI usage in today's digital age. This essay serves as a guide for beginners and intermediate learners, providing insights into the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity in the age of AI, making it accessible to all. We will unravel the complexities of ethical hacking, empowering individuals with the knowledge to navigate this intricate domain and equipping them with the skills needed. Join us as we unlock the potential of ChatGPT, exploring its ability to bolster our defenses against cyber threats and enhance our security measures. Together, we will delve into the ethical considerations surrounding AI usage in cybersecurity, ensuring that this powerful technology is wielded responsibly and ethically for the greater good. Our exploration will be grounded in real-world examples and practical tips, making the concepts accessible and relatable and easy to understand. We believe that by fostering a deeper understanding of ethical hacking and the responsible use of AI, we can collectively contribute to a safer and more secure digital world for everyone. Let us begin our journey into the exciting realm of ethical hacking with ChatGPT in 2025 and discover the future together. ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI, has emerged as a game-changer in various domains, including the ever-critical field of cybersecurity. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text makes it an invaluable tool for both cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts alike, providing a new layer of defense. In the realm of cybersecurity, ChatGPT can be likened to a versatile Swiss Army knife, equipped with a multitude of tools to tackle various challenges, from threat detection to response. One of the key strengths of ChatGPT lies in its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data, a crucial aspect of cybersecurity that cannot be overstated. It can sift through mountains of code, log files, and network traffic, identifying patterns and anomalies that might indicate a security breach, often before they become critical issues. This capability makes it an invaluable asset in vulnerability detection, threat intelligence, and incident response, enhancing overall security posture. Furthermore, ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like text makes it an effective tool for simulating social engineering attacks, a common tactic used by cybercriminals to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information. By crafting realistic phishing emails, ChatGPT can help cybersecurity professionals test their defenses and train employees to identify and avoid such attacks, thereby reducing the risk of successful breaches. In the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity, staying ahead of the curve is paramount, and proactive measures are essential. ChatGPT empowers cybersecurity professionals with the tools and insights needed to anticipate and mitigate emerging threats, ensuring a robust defense mechanism. Its ability to learn from new data and adapt to changing attack vectors makes it an indispensable ally in the fight against cybercrime, constantly evolving to meet new challenges. As we delve deeper into the specific applications of ChatGPT in cybersecurity, we will uncover its true potential in this critical domain, revealing how it can transform the way we approach digital security. Vulnerability detection is the cornerstone of any robust cybersecurity strategy, serving as the first line of defense against potential threats. Identifying weaknesses in systems and applications before malicious actors can exploit them is crucial for maintaining a secure digital environment. This proactive approach helps in safeguarding sensitive data and ensuring the integrity of digital infrastructures. ChatGPT, with its advanced language processing capabilities, offers a novel approach to vulnerability detection, augmenting traditional methods and empowering cybersecurity professionals with an additional layer of defense. This innovative tool can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and efficiently. One way ChatGPT aids in vulnerability detection is by analyzing code for potential security flaws, identifying issues that might be overlooked by human eyes. By training ChatGPT on a massive dataset of code, both vulnerable and secure, it can learn to identify patterns in coding practices that often lead to vulnerabilities. This training enables it to become more adept at spotting potential risks. When presented with new code, ChatGPT can flag suspicious segments, highlighting potential areas of concern for security analysts to investigate further. This helps in prioritizing the most critical issues. Moreover, ChatGPT can be used to analyze configuration files, network traffic logs, and other system data to identify misconfigurations, anomalies, and potential security loopholes. This comprehensive analysis is vital for maintaining a secure network. By correlating information from various sources, ChatGPT can provide a more comprehensive view of the system's security posture, uncovering vulnerabilities that might otherwise go unnoticed. This holistic approach ensures a more robust defense mechanism. It is important to note that while ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for vulnerability detection, it is not a silver bullet. It should be used in conjunction with other security measures. Human expertise and judgment remain crucial for validating ChatGPT's findings and taking appropriate actions. The collaboration between AI and human intelligence is key to effective cybersecurity. ChatGPT should be seen as an augmentation to existing security practices, not a replacement for them. It enhances the capabilities of cybersecurity teams. By integrating ChatGPT into their workflows, cybersecurity professionals can enhance their ability to identify and remediate vulnerabilities, strengthening their defenses against cyber threats. This integration leads to a more resilient and secure digital environment. Navigating the ethical minefield. It's no easy task. In today's world, we're constantly faced with decisions that test our moral compass. Now, more than ever, it's crucial to understand the principles that guide our actions. So how do we distinguish right from wrong? It's not always black and white. Often we find ourselves in the gray areas. And that's where our values come into play. They act as our guiding light, helping us make choices that align with our integrity. But let's be honest, it's not just about personal values. We must also consider the broader impact of our decisions. How do they affect others? Are we contributing to the greater good, or are we causing harm? Ultimately, navigating this ethical landscape requires continuous reflection and a willingness to adapt. It's a journey, not a destination. And as we move forward, we must strive to be mindful, compassionate, and, ethical in all that we do. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, cybersecurity education has never been more crucial. ChatGPT is revolutionizing this field by providing interactive learning experiences that are both engaging and informative. With its ability to simulate real-world scenarios, ChatGPT helps students and professionals alike develop the skills they need to protect against cyber threats. It's truly a game changer in the realm of cybersecurity education. As AI technology continues to advance, it's essential to ensure its responsible use. ChatGPT plays a pivotal role in this by offering guidance on ethical AI practices. By promoting transparency, fairness, and accountability, ChatGPT helps users navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. This, in turn, fosters a more ethical and trustworthy technological environment. For those interested in ethical hacking, ChatGPT provides a wealth of resources to support their learning journey. From tutorials and best practices to simulated hacking environments, ChatGPT equips aspiring ethical hackers with the knowledge and tools they need to succeed. It's, a comprehensive resource that empowers individuals to explore cybersecurity in a safe and ethical manner. The future of ethical hacking is bright, and ChatGPT is at the forefront of this exciting field. By continually evolving and adapting to new challenges, ChatGPT ensures that ethical hackers are always prepared to tackle the latest cyber threats. Embracing the future means staying ahead of the curve, and with ChatGPT, ethical hackers have the support they need to do just that. It's honestly an exciting time to be involved in cybersecurity.